Hey, let me ask you something. Why does Microsoft keep removing features that everybody likes? I mean, we are talking about features that have been there for about 30 years that they're just pulling out. And the one that I'm talking about in particular, if you've just moved to Windows 11, maybe you experienced this, is the fact that you cannot move your taskbar in Windows 11. That's ridiculous, okay? I mean, we're talking about something that's been there again 30 years, multiple decades, every version of Windows. We could easily just hold shift down, click on our taskbar, and drag it around. Drag it to the left, drag it to the right, drag it to the top, just like I'm doing here on my Windows 10 computer. So hey, what's going on, Microsoft? Why did you take this away from us in Windows 11? Well, we're going to talk about that. And if you run into any more weird issues while you're using your technology, especially Windows 11, reach out to us via the number down below. We will definitely help you out and get you back on track. Hit that like and subscribe while you're down there, and that's enough of that. Let's talk about this taskbar thing, because I am heated, and I hope you're just as mad as I am. Okay, so here's the deal. For decades, literally since Windows 95, you can move your taskbar anywhere you wanted. That's why I'm so mad. Top, left, right, bottom. Your computer, you're set up the way you want it, and that's the thing. With Windows 11, they locked it to the bottom. No more dragging, no options, nothing. And yeah, people, they're not happy about it. Oh, why did Microsoft do this? Well, according to Microsoft, they always have a reason. They say it's to modernize the interface and make things easier across multiple devices. Translation, we simplified it because we could. We removed stuff you like, now deal with it. Okay, not really. Let's be fair. You can still tweak a few things. I try to be fair in these videos. They did leave the ability to move your icons around on the taskbar. You can even make the Windows symbol go all the way, the start menu go all the way to the left, which is great. I don't like it being in the middle, so on my computers, I always move it over to the left. You can turn off notifications from the taskbar, adjust some of the behavior. So there are things you can do. But the big one that's missing that we used to have is being able to actually move the bar itself. Not everybody likes it at the bottom. I don't get it. I like it at the bottom. But if you don't, if you like it on the left, right, top, whatever you like, that's up to you. It is your computer. You should be able to customize that. And this is where people get frustrated, because it's not like this is some new feature. This has been in Windows, again, for decades. It's been there since the beginning, but they removed it, which kind of feels like a trend lately that they're starting to do a little too much. They remove features, they call it modern, and then they ship it anyway, okay? I don't get that. We want these features. It's not about what you want, Microsoft. It's about what we want. We are the users. We should get to decide. But here's the good news, all right? Here's the interesting part. There are rumors and strong feedback that Microsoft may bring these features back. That's right. Good news, everyone. But enough people have complained. That's what it took. It's not like Microsoft just doing this out of the kindness of their heart. It took enough people complaining about it, going on the forums, raising a fit. So, you know, some of these features that we want back and some of these things we want to see. Obviously, Microsoft does listen at times. So get online. Start telling what you want. Not really. Okay. But it is nice to see that they're bringing it back. And it is good as users to make sure that we are constantly submitting feedback and trying to tell these companies what we want. If they really want our money, they better give us what we want, right? So right now, we're stuck with the taskbar at the bottom. Love it or hate it. It kind of sucks. But it is what it is. If you want help organizing your system or customizing your system, reach out to us here at My Computer Works. We do have some ways around this and some ways to make it feel more like home the way you want. So drop down below, grab that number, check out our website, mycomputerworks.com, and yeah, we'll definitely give you a hand. Again, drop down below, hit that like and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you on the next one.